Baku Olympic Stadium, Azerbaijani, Baki Olimpiya Stadionu, is a stadium, designed and constructed to meet the international standards for stadiums set by the Union of European Football Associations, UEFA, the International Federation of Association Football, FIFA, and the International Association of Athletics Federations, IAAF. Having seating capacity for 68,700 people, it is the largest stadium in Azerbaijan. Construction of the 225,000 square meter stadium on a 650,000 square meter site was completed in February 2015. The 6-story, 65.7 meter structure near Boyakshir Lake, Baku, Azerbaijan, opened on 6 March 2015. The main tenant of the stadium is Azerbaijan's national football team, who moved from their previous home at the Tawfik Baramov Republican Stadium. In June 2015 the stadium served as the main venue for the European Games, hosting the opening and closing ceremonies, and the athletic games. The venue hosted 3 group games and a quarter-final at the UEFA Euro 2020. A green area is being developed around the stadium, which is accessible via public transport. The foundation of the Baku Olympic Stadium was laid on June 6, 2011 in a ceremony to mark the 100th anniversary of Azerbaijani football. The ceremony was attended by the President of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and his spouse Merabin Aliyeva, FIFA President Sepp Blatter, UEFA President Michel Platini, prominent members of the global football community, heads of various federations, football veterans and other guests. Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev was informed about the future plans for the construction of the stadium. Speaking at the ceremony, Blatter said, "This is really beautiful, grand building, and more than 60,000 football fans coming to the stadium will be able to enjoy football." Aliyev then placed a symbolic metal capsule inside a football. His son Haydar, scoring a goal in a symbolic gate, dropped the ball into the foundation. Presidents Aliyev with Blatter and Platini operated a switch starting the concrete pour, and signed a football, which was preserved in memory of the ceremony. Construction. Despite the groundbreaking ceremony taking place in 2011, the construction of the stadium started only in November 2012 with the excavation and backfilling of the stadium area. The stadium was completed on February 28, 2015. And the opening took place on March 6, 2015. President Aliyev participated in the opening ceremony. The total layout of the stadium is 617,000 square meters and has a capacity for 68,700 people. It is 6 stories tall. Baku was ready to host the first European Games in 2015. The Olympic Stadium project was seen as the most important and prestigious project undertaken by Azerbaijan for the Games. Main stadium layout area is 87,000 square meters, total confined space 215,000 square meters, maximum height from ground 60 square meters. Construction of the stadium in Baku. The project was funded by the SOCAR. A Turkish company Tekfen Construction and Installation Company, Inc., were given a design and build contract, 3-4. Along with the stadium, there were built a number of hotels, a parking venue, 3,617 car places, and green space, 81,574 square meters. 5. Stadium contains VVIP, VIP, CIP suites total 127 each with 720 spectators capacity. Total interior special area of 25,200 square meters and total car parking capacity for 3,078 cars. 1,800 seating capacity warm-up area, MEP building, information center and 2 external buildings are other building of the project, citation needed. Events. The stadium hosted athletics and ceremonies during 2015 European Games. The stadium hosted all of Qarabağ's Champions League group stage matches in the 2017-18 UEFA Champions League. The stadium hosted the 2019 UEFA Europa League final on May 29, 2019. The stadium hosted 3 group stage matches and 1 quarter-finals match at the UEFA Euro 2020, which was postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Europe. Location: Baku, Azerbaijan. Public transit: Baku Metro Koroglu. Owner: Association of Football Federations of Azerbaijan, citation needed. Capacity: 68,701. Record attendance: 67,200, Karabag Roma 1-2, September 27, 2017. Surface: grass. Construction: broke ground. June 6, 2011. Opened March 6, 2015. Architect: Taka, Concept Design, Hirim, Rossetti, Sports Architect. Structural Engineer: Thornton Tomasetti. General Contractor: Tekfen Construction, Turkey. Tenants: Azerbaijan National Football Team. Karabag FK, European Competition.